6% bond. So R equals alpha 1 is equal to 0.06. Three years after purchasing, okay, let's find FR so I can start writing my coupons. FR is 2,000 times 0.06, which is 120. So 3 years he collected coupons for 120 each. 3 years after purchasing and collecting the third coupon, Morten sells the bond for 1,600. Okay, so after this, price third party is equal to 1,600. And let's write here 120 plus the redemption, which is 2,000. Find the third party's effective yield per coupon period. Can you do it? Third party's yield. How much is the third party paying for this bond? 1,600. Okay, 1,600. Let's call this A. 1,600 is what they pay. How many coupons will they collect? 5. So I'm at time 3, and this is time 8. So there are 5 coupons remaining between here and here. That's what the third party will collect, right? 1,600 equals 120. A angle 8 at some J. I'm looking for J. Let's call it J hat.
5 angle 5.
A angle 5. Yeah, sorry. Let's get rid of that. A angle 5. Plus redemption. How much is the redemption?
2,000.
Yeah. 2,000. 1 plus J hat to the minus 5. And solve for J hat. Solve for J hat. So either calculator or Wolfram provides J hat equals 0.114764. Part B. Find Morten's effective yield if he does not sell the bond but rather holds it to maturity. How many coupons?
8.
So he paid 1,212. That's his price. Equals 120. A angle 8 J plus 2,000 is the redemption. VJ to the 8. Solve this thing where VJ is 1 plus J to the minus 8. Solve for J. This gives me J equals 0.14691. Part C. So you don't want to take my word for this. You want to make sure that you can solve these in your calculator so that when it comes to your final, you're not at a loss, right? Part C. Find Morten's adjusted annual yield if he actually sells the bond at T equals 3 for 1,600 after collecting the coupon payments. After collecting the coupon payment at T equals 3. So 1,212 is equal to 120. A angle, how many coupons left? how many coupons collected, I should say, right?
3.
A angle 3 at sum J plus actually sells the bond for 1,600. So 1,600, 1 plus J to the minus 3 power. Because he's standing at 3, collecting redemption of 1,600, basically. That's the price he's selling it to the other guy for. And then that turns out to be 0.1879. Let me draw a timeline for that. Minus 1212, collects 120, collects 120, another 120, and also collects 1,600 right here, which is price third party. J equals 0.1879. So had Morten held the bond, he would have earned J equals 0.14691, but he sold it to some poor fool, right, who earned J equals 0.114764, J hat, allowing Morten's adjusted yield to go up to 18.79%. How about this question? Find the book value B3 when it was sold. How should I do that? It was sold here at time 3 with 5 coupons remaining and a redemption of 2,000 remaining, and the yield at that time was this 0.14691. Assuming that he held it to maturity, that was his yield. So can we find B3? Five coupons remaining, right? So 120, A angle 5 at 0.14691 plus 2,000, 1.14691 to the minus 5 power, which is 120 times 3.376827 plus 2,000, 1 point, I should have found what that is, but I didn't, equals 1413.04. Question? Any question? Let's go to the next page. Page 11. Previously, a single bond provided a level cash flow. This was easy to analyze. In reality, a portfolio of bonds may yield non-level cash flows. A bond could also be bought and resold multiple times over its term, and we need to learn how to analyze. Let's do it. Kelly buys a 2000 20% 10-year bond redeemable at 2100 with annual coupons with a purchase price of 2803.83. She takes a constant D out of each coupon and deposits it into a savings account earning 6%, so as to accumulate the full amount of premium, not the price, okay? That's what we're used to seeing, right? Full amount of premium at the time of the final deposit. Find her yearly effective yield rate. We have two ways to do this. Do you want to try this yourself? He's using a sinking fund to accumulate the premium. Only the premium, which is a difference between the price and the redemption. You try. And then we'll do it. Is it a premium bond or a discount bond?
Premium bond.
Yep. P greater than C. Premium. So she needs to accumulate the premium, right? How much is the premium? P minus C is the premium. So 2803.83 minus C. How much is C? Pardon me?
2100.
So 703.83 is the premium. That's what I want to accumulate in some sinking fund, right? At 6%. Find her yearly effective yield rate. What do you think?
Could be D equals that premium over a single
10.
10.
Yeah, exactly. So let's draw two timelines. One timeline $10, 0, price minus 2803.83, and here's her coupon